Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June the 18th, 2019. European car market rises on data from Germany. Car registrations in Europe rise 0.04% in May for the first time in 9 months thanks to jump in deliveries in Germany. The European Automobile Manufacturers Association said on Tuesday that sales climbed to 1.44 million cars compared to a year ago. Sales in Germany, the biggest European auto market, surged 9.1% to counteract an ongoing pullback in the UK, where uncertainty over Brexit continues to put off consumers from purchasing new vehicles. Spain also declined. Among major manufacturers, BMW saw strong gains of 8% for the group after also introducing a range of new models. Peugeot-maker PSA Group rose 4.1% in May, while Fiat Chrysler Automobiles NV fell 8.3%. Stocks mixed, yen climbs 10-year treasuries lower. Asian stocks were mixed on Tuesday ahead of the highly anticipated Federal Reserve meeting. Equities fell in Japan while stocks rose in Australia, Hong Kong, and South Korea, and fluctuated in Shanghai. European futures pointed lower. Investors focused on Fed's statement and meeting on Wednesday to see whether Chairman Jerome Powell and his colleagues will validate expectations for interest rate cuts. The S&P 500 index closed flat, though tech stocks did send the Nasdaq 100 higher. The yield on 10-year treasuries fell 2 basis points to 2.07%. Oil prices declined on fears of economic slowdown. Oil prices decreased for a second day on Tuesday on signs that global economic growth is being hit by the US-China trade war. However, losses were limited by tensions in the Middle East after last week's tanker attacks. Brent crude futures international benchmark fell 40 cents or 0.7% to $60.54 a barrel. They declined 1.7% in the previous session on concerns about slowing global growth. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were down 28 cents or 0.5% at $51.65. They dropped 1.1% on Monday. Oil prices have fallen around 20% since 2019 highs reached in April, in part due to concerns about the US-China trade war and disappointing economic data. Sanofi will cooperate with Google in healthcare. French healthcare company Sanofi has teamed up with Google to work on innovations aimed at using emerging data technologies to change how medicines and health services will be delivered in future. Sanofi and Google will use data sets to improve their understanding of key diseases and extract patients' insights and feedback, the company said in a joint statement. This would enable Sanofi to research and develop a more personalized approach to treatment and identify accompanying technologies to improve results, said Amit Nathwani, Chief Medical Officer and Executive Vice President of French company.